Alright, so my first American core swap outside. We're gonna hear obviously plenty of noise. This is that 5100 that I had gotten, and I wanted to see what it was like to swap out a core, so hopefully this is easy. I don't know. I've only done the pack lock, and that was because I dumped the pins in one of those pack lock 410s or whatever. So, hoping. Okay. Looks like take one out, stick another one in, right? Oh, I like how the ball bearings, sorry, try to keep this in view. You don't have to worry about the ball bearings like in the Pro. That was the hardest part for me, was trying to get it past those darn ball bearings. What am I doing here? That's the old core, right? Yeah. Sorry. So, looks pretty much the same to me. Okay, so this is the new one. Oh. Yeah. So I learned that it looks like you can pin it to 6. I'm definitely curious about that. I'd rather pick 6 pins than 5. There's the bidding on the new one. I am super stoked about that. Look at that crazy thing. I don't know, might be a pain in the butt, so maybe I'll pick it right away. So I guess, let's slide this bad boy in there, like so. And if that's all there is to it, that's about as easy as it gets. Had actually a hard time finding a screwdriver. So, a screwdriver that would actually fit in the hole there. Okay. Guess before I close it up, did I do this right? Yeah. Cool. Alright. Yeah, so easy. So easy. Alright, should we give it a pick? Oh boy. Let's see here. Get my set out here. Keep my Reaper on there. Gotta go McTickler, right? So 50 top of the keylay. I am in a very uncomfortable position here. Let me swap this out. I got my kids' Candyland here. This is my little tray that I'm using. Let's see here. Alright, so once again, here's the bidding on this lock. Let's see if we can give it a go. Dang. So I have another American lock. I'm hoping to make a video about picking it with the notch decoder, and then showing the pins and then swapping it out. Good clicks. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to go with a deeper hook because of that high lift. Plenty of noise, right? Yeah, I had a feeling this one might be a little bit of a doozy. It's awesome. Want the challenge. That's the whole idea here. Getting new cores and everything. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I'm setting all over the place here. tempted. Go, oh, tempted to go with like a number 4. Might be what I need to do here. So, oh, nice. Got that bad boy. Cool. Give it a little zippy at the end there. Love my kinetic attack. So cool.